Bakit mo naisipang bumili naman ng Rolex?
Half-hearted ako eh.
Yung confidence mo, hindi lumilevel sa confidence nila, di ba? Yung house of discount ako.
Hindi mo siya pwede sabihin gastos eh. It's like an investment in yourself.
Yung shoes, puro Rolexes, pare ha. What's up guys? Another watch, another day, pare ha. Meron tayong visitor ngayon. Nasa shoemaking business daw sila eh. Let's check lang kung ano yung mga negosyo talaga and what they are looking for. Sir, hi. Nice to meet you.
Martin.
Martin, nice to meet you. Please have a seat. Your name, ma'am?
Angelique.
Angelique, nice to meet you. How's everything?
Ay lang.
Parang ninenervous ka, boss. Ako ka nervous din, ha?
Si Boss RDR kanina.
Oo, si Boss RDR, shoutout. Nagpa-service siya sa amin. What can I do for you today?
Looking for Submariner.
Na?
Ay, sakto yun yung na-prepare. Gusto, ang galing, ang bilis oh. Like, ready ko agad.
Yun, alright. Submariner, no date. This is both 41 ba?
Yes.
Yung isa is brand new, yung isa hindi. Which one would you like? May papahingin ka ba, boss, na gusto mo talagang brand new dapat?
Hindi, wala naman.
So if that's the case, then I would offer you something you use.
Pwede mo check.
Yes, of course. Yeah, sure. Top yourself up.
First Rolex ko kasi.
First Rolex. Bakit no date pala?
Sa mga vlogs mo, nakita ko na parang gusto mo yung no-date.
Kasi simple eh.
Oo, yun nga. Simple. Kaya,
Would you mind? Nothing gets classier than that Submariner. Everyone, even me, myself, my first Rolex ever was a Submariner pa rin. Kaso with date yung akin nun, kasi I did not know na no date is mas maganda pala. Nung nagkaroon ako ng no date, dun ko lang siya na-appreciate. It looks great on your hand.
Yes.
Let's reference 124060 na. That's the latest model ni Rolex.
Happy Father's Day.
Yun! Ilan na anak mo, boss?
Dalawa.
Dalawa. Magkano